Hey friends, welcome back to Farmhouse Flair Co. today. I'm glad you're back because I have a really cool DIY project for you that I did for the winter season. So, do you ever struggle with how to decorate for winter without it being Christmas? I know some people do. They struggle with how to decorate and what colors to use and what to put up after Christmas is officially over and before spring hits, because for some people it's too early for spring, and I know that's how it is in my case. I don't like decorating for spring right after Christmas because it's too early in the year for me. I typically don't decorate for spring until about the end of February, early March. So I like enjoying the winter seasons. I love using fresh pine and the natural wood tones, pine cones. I love all those little natural woody elements in my home to really bring out that winter season and that winter vibe. It makes your house so cozy, and it's just hard to decorate for spring when there's snow on the ground. I mean, how do you do that, honestly? If you're like me and you like to decorate for winter and you don't really know what all to do, try making a simple pine garland, just like I made. It's not really a garland, it's just a layering effect that I did on top of my mantle to make it look super fresh and light and airy. The way that it's layered, and it kind of overhangs over my mantle. There's no twisting it with wire or anything like that. It's just all about a layering effect. This was very easy and very cost effective to do because it was absolutely free. I got everything from my backyard, and it was all just using my pine clippings that I had gathered in the beginning of the winter to put in the bushels on my front porch. So if you want to know how to add a little bit of winter flair to your home, watch this video. I promise you will love it, and it's super affordable, like I said, and it only took me about an hour to do. Yeah, I'd say like an hour tops. Like I said, all you need for this project is just your greenery of choice. So for me, I'm using this fresh pine that I collected in the beginning of the winter, but you can use whatever greenery that you choose, whether it's real or artificial. So I already cut these down into kind of small pieces because initially I was going to make these into a garland, and then I just never got the time to. So I did bring scissors out though in case I need to trim them down a little bit and just cut little pieces off. But for the most part, I'm just going to keep them in large sections like this and just kind of layer them across my mantle. They still smell like pine. They smell good. Oh, I just got sap on me from that one. We're gonna put that one back. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna stop now and go in and start laying these. Oh, that's a really good one. I'm gonna start laying these, and then we will see where we're at and how much more we need. So all I did here, once I had a clean slate to work with, was I just started laying my pieces along my mantle, and I just started from one end and worked my way across. And I don't know if you can tell the way that I'm laying my pieces, but I'm tucking the ends of the stems towards the back of the mantle and then letting the natural curve of the stem hang over the mantle ledge. And this gives it a very loose looking effect and it makes it really pretty. Also, what I did was I used large full pieces first and got them down as my base for the garland. Like I said, by doing this, it just helped me get the shape and made that garland look really thick and full. And then I went back and topped it off by using some smaller accent pieces, and those pieces allowed me to just loosely lay them and let them kind of flow over the edge of the mantle, giving it that loose effect. So, after about an hour of playing around with this and rearranging, I was finally happy with how I had my garland laid out. I added my milk glass vases to the center of my mantle, along with these white pine cones that I had, and all of the white together really complements the pine garland very nicely. And you can use this any time of year. It doesn't have to be pine. You could do this with any type of greenery. You could even do it with faux greenery. You could get some faux stems and just lay them on top of your mantle. It doesn't have to be real. And then you can reuse it every year. And then you know every year that's how you can decorate your mantle for that specific season. And that is all there is to it, guys. Like I said, this project was so easy, so simple, absolutely free, didn't cost me a penny, and it added such a nice winter addition to my family room for the winter season before spring hits. So I plan on having that up for as long as it lasts, until it dies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for visiting Farmhouse Claire today. I'll see you next time. Bye.